This is a DIY kimchi for an Audi Q5 oil change. Here are the required items. First step is to loosen the oil filter. This will let the excess oil drain out of the filter. Remove the engine oil cap. Remove the oil extraction cap. Get your fluid extraction device. Insert tubing as such. Now pump. Pump! Keep pumping. You can do it. Go. Now wait. Wait. Keep waiting. Good job. We're gonna remove the tube. No mess, no drips. Easy. We have a brand new OEM oil filter from the Audi dealership. Just provide your VIN number and pay about $18. Shiny. Remove the filthy used oil filter. Clean up any drips. We have the brand spanking new filter. Just screw it on clockwise. This is not brain surgery. Get your torque wrench, set it to 22 Newton meters plus or minus 2, and tighten until you hear the click. Insert an oil funnel and pour in new oil. I just put the whole bottle. Replace the caps. Replace the engine cover. And we're done. Now the cleanup process. Get your funnel. Pour in the dirty oil back into the original container. Ooh. So filthy. We're going to bring this back to the auto parts store for a free recycling. Unfortunately, I have the 70,000 mile service due warning, so I have to use this VACCOM tool for a service due reset. Let's choose special function, maintenance reset, other models, small service. Let's choose 365 days. Instantaneously, the service due reset warning is gone. And let's see what the service interval is. 365 days. There is no dipstick, no oil level. We need to drive 5 miles. Oil level okay. This is what you would do if you did not have a service due warning. To reset your oil interval, no VATCOM needed. 365 days. Dropping off the oil. DIY costs versus dealer costs. You do the math.